Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can change your voice in Bigo Live. So I'm referring to changing your voice as like making it more uh, ladylike, with high pitch voice, or maybe like a ghost, maybe like a robot, and with auto tunes and all that kind of stuff. So from PC, it's actually really easy. There are lots of third-party apps like voicemod.ai or voice changers, that kind of softwares. You just hook it, you just install it, hook it on your mic, and select the output to your live, and that will do it. That's how you change your voice in Bigo Live. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.